Wait till you see what I got for myself. Can't remember when was the last time I got something except my collage books. I have all kinds of journal books, and this is something I can't resist. The store that I saw this for the first time, it's a scrap hut from the Netherlands, and this is where I made my order. And look at that! There is a little note to me. I have to say this is super sweet. Dear Marta and Patricia, thank you so much for the note. The thing that I saw on the Scrap Hut Facebook was this journal book, but before we'll check it, let me show you what else I grabbed. Why not? Because when you make shopping and you crafter, usually there's something jumping into your basket, and this is what I grabbed. I figured I don't have many stamps actually, and this one in particular, I think it's such a great page filler. I love the birds. Recently in my books, in the Amphora books, especially in the upcoming industrial book, there are birds on the background book. Especially, I love the birds. Even if they are on the line, like electricity line, or you know, like on the streets or on the branches, such a great filler for the page, whether it's a journal or ATC, whatever. I don't own it. I honestly don't. You could draw it, but I figured I may as well have one. Then I have this KURETAKE. I know KURETAKE very well. I love their watercolors. I love their pastel set especially, and I figured maybe this is going to be something that will be similar or substitute to my favorite calligraphy ink. I figured I get it. I don't even know what's that, whether it's, what is it? Add a drop of snow to your ink to give it a matte finish, water-based pigment. So it's a white pigment, and I thought I'm gonna test it out for splashes. And lastly, I loved this set because it looks very much like a patina, a vintagey rusty color. We have a green, turquoise, gold, earth, turtle dove, ivory. I love this color set. I mean, seriously, it's a beautiful set. Very industrial, very vintagey. It's kind of connected to old wood, old metal, and all. I loved it, and I said I'll grab it. Why not? As if I don't have enough paints. But I honestly I have some other colors from different sets. I have this one, for example. I really think it's a very good quality paint, the Stamperia one. So maybe the collection is starting to be built. So that's what I grabbed. But the star of the show, the most important bit, was this journal, guys. This is like, I don't think I was this fast for anything else in my life. I really was so excited, and this is actually genius. Okay, there's something else. I actually forgot what I ordered because I was making order on Amazon recently, on another store in online store, and here, so yes, there's a few more bits and pieces. There we go. Contour from Stamperia. Let's see. Actually, this I didn't order. I think I may be lucky to have them as a gift. Gold, iridescent, white, and rose gold. Wow, I love the colors. Love the white, always use. Iridescent, that's like I know what's that. That's like a white with the shimmer, am I right? And a gold, of course, and a rose gold. I just like, look, my nails, I love them. Thank you so very much for that gift. Let's have a little read. Contour liner, universal thick water-based paint, applicable to a wide variety of surfaces. Is a fine writing tip to draw or highlight the contours of patterns or to make 3D decorations. Excellent for glass and fabric painting. Do you know what I would be excited for? To see if, you know, I used to use those Nuvo drops, if they make perfect dots. Shall we try it? Let's try it. I think we should really quickly try that. And this one is actually by Vicky. Oh, my beautiful Vicky Papidon. My beautiful friend from Greece. She has been making collections with Stamperia very successfully. And big congrats to her. Let's see. Well, oh, okay. Ooh. So how am I supposed to, oh, maybe like this? Is that making a, no, or yes, 1 second. I don't know if I never read instructions, so I should have probably. Did it make a hole? No. Like this? No. One of this? No. This? No. Okay. Well, then I'm gonna chance it out with, let's say, my, oh, ooh, okay, it's good that I have not dirtied anything around me. Okay, 1 second. Let's clean it up and have it nice and tidy, nice and clean. Okay, so that's that. And I'm hopeful, if that's the thing that I'm thinking that is, rose gold, that it will make maybe some lovely little, let's grab some piece of paper, some little, well, it's a fine, wow, oh, it is a very fine, but imagine doing a little dots. So I'd say this is perfect for making dots, 3D dots. Oh wow, but look at those lines. Whoa, gorgeous for making some details on the clothing for fairs or something. Wow, love it. So we've got white, perfect. I will be using that. Iridescence, I'm very excited to see. Guys, I'm excited to see. Let's see it together. Let's see it together. I'm gonna give you the link to the store. I'm sure that they ship into Europe. I don't know if they ship to UK or USA. You have to check it for yourself. Oh my daisies. Let's see. Will this be similar? Oh, it it did do a little bit of a blob. Oh, it is like a white, oh, gorgeous color. It's like this white snow. Wow, it's going to be gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Definitely, it's going to be my new favorite, I think, after all my beautiful, oh, this is so pretty. I don't know if you can see on this color. If I'll go for something darker, let's grab this one. Oh, and it's like a little shimmer, a tiny shimmer on the white. But I think for winter projects would be amazing, actually. For Christmas project as well, the gold, gorgeous. Thank you so very much. This is exciting to, but you know, it's nice to find out about new products as well. There we go. I'm pretty convinced I've ordered this one. Am I right? The watercolor journal. That's still not the one. This is the one that we are waiting for to see. This one is by Vicky, I'm sure it is by Vicky. Oh, I love it. Oh, a tiny journal with the watercolor paper inside. It's gorgeous. I love the size. I love that it's not that thick. Do you know, I show you my journals, and they are quite similar to, I used to use all these, you know, from the Arteza back in the day, and I think this has less pages. Whoa, maybe not. No, it was definitely thicker, this one, from the day one. So this is nice because the page seems to be, is it slightly bigger? Actually no, it's pretty much the same, but it's going to be definitely a lovely to work in. There is going to be another journal by Vicky. I love this one. It's a mixed media one. This is watercolor, so you can work in the watercolor journal straight away in the paper. This one you probably will have to, I love the size of that, like it's old school style size of the booklet, you know, from schools. I love it. Oh wow. And do I have it? I think it feels familiar if I had it, or I had smaller version or something. I love that. Very thick paper as well. What's the thickness? Come on. Oh, 300 grams. And this one is 300 grams. So 300 grams, so very thick actually, if you ask me. Very, very thick. Super thickness, the best. Same for this one, 300 grams. Fantastic, because you don't have to glue 2 pages together. Then we have some stencils. I love it. I love them. Super cute. I love the pattern for the wood sort of thingy, and the dots that are so, like, you know, not. I think I love when things are not perfect. Like this, those dots are just not perfect, and I love that. So here is that. Dum, da, da, dum, the star of the show, my beautiful friends. You will see why I am so excited about it. Excuse me for the noise. Oh, I thought it's much smaller. Now I understand. Wow. Well, I'm not complaining, just to be clear. It's gorgeous. So it's Dina Weekly media journal, mixed media journal, well, media journal, 48 pages from Ranger. It's called the Ledger. Ledger, it's a gray one. Oh my daisies, guys. Are you ready? Tell me, are you ready? Okay, what's on the back? Reproduction of an authentic hardware store ledger, smooth, sturdy paper that works well with weekly mediums, scribble 6 digits, 180 paper, not as thick, but I think it's enough. If you will be adding up the things, oh my, I love this size. I don't have a size of this. Like it's not it's not A4, it's not A5, it's like something in. What a weird. Look at it, guys. Oh my daisies, I don't believe it. It's going to be my new favorite shape, size. This is so beautiful. I cannot believe this. Wow. Every page is different. It looks like it's like as they have mentioned, a reproduction of the original, which is amazing. I love that. I love it. Wow. Unique writing and all, and the colors, not the stain, but you know how old it is, the see-through ink and all. It's amazing. Honestly, this is like when I saw it, I couldn't believe my eyes. I was like, I need to have it. I was just convinced it's going to be this size. So it's much bigger, but I love it. It's going to be very nice, challenging and different to work in that vertical, it portrait kind of shape of the page, and much longer. I love it, guys. What you think? Let me know. Wow, this was so exciting. I didn't get any new goodies for quite some time, I have to say. I've been so busy with enjoying the books. Now it's time to, use my Emphara books inside the ledger or other things, other supplies, and just enjoy everything. So here is my little share for you today. Thank you so much, Patricia, Scrap Hut. Check them out. Please do check them out. Thank you so much for the gifts and for sending this so fast, because I really was excited to see the ledger journal, and it's not disappointing at all. It's actually quite opposite. What a joy to see how big, different shape it is. Maybe I was not paying attention. I didn't read description whatsoever. I was like, I need to have it definitely. So let me know your thoughts, my beautiful friends. Did you hear about the ledger? What is your favorite thing? And yeah, have a beautiful day and night, evening, maybe afternoon, whenever you're watching, and I'll speak to you very soon. Have fun crafting, and I'll chat to you. Oh, maybe you'll tell me, yeah, well, if I'll ask you, would you like me to use the ledger for the next project? I'm pretty convinced everyone would say, yes, go for it, go. So that's probably what I'm going to do. Yeah, thank you so much, as always. A pleasure to be in your homes, and I'll chat to you soon. I love you guys. Bye for now.